be popular. You're gonna be popular. I'll teach you the right place when you talk to boys, little ways to flirt and flounce. Oh, I'll teach you what shoes to wear, how to fix your hair, everything that really counts to be popular. You're gonna be popular. You'll learn what the right go on to be good at sports. Know the slang you've got to know. So let's start, 'cause you've got an awfully long way to go. Don't offend him by my frank analysis. Think of it as personality dialysis. Now I've decided to become a palaces. They're an advisor, there's nobody wiser. Not when it comes to popular. I know about popular, and with an assist from me to be who you'll be instead of fearing who you were. Or there's nothing gonna stop you from becoming popular. La, 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 la. We're gonna make you popular. Oh my God! When I see depressing creatures with some prepossessing features, I remind them on their own behalf to think of celebrated heads of state or very great communicators. Did they have brains and knowledge? Don't make me laugh. They were popular, please. It's all about popular. It's not about aptitude. It's the way you're viewed. So it's very shrewd to be very, very popular like me. And though you protest your disinterest, I know clandestinely you're gonna grin and bear it to me for popularity.